Supporting the rapid growth of network-connected devices is no easy task. Vital infrastructure requires constant upgrades. When problems arise, tools and manual procedures are the preferred methods to troubleshoot. But often, technicians use their own mobile device to run a variety of apps and rely on their own experience to analyze the results. Fortunately, there's a better way. LinkRunner G2 simplifies this process so that technicians of any experience level can execute a complete network test in seconds. The auto test feature automatically delivers consistent pass-fail diagnostics without the need for multiple tools. As the first ever Android-based smart network tester designed with IT teams in mind, LinkRunner G2 offers a fully optimized workflow to efficiently deploy network services and quickly fix a variety of problems. LinkRunner G2 allows automatic receipt of trouble tickets, PDF documentation viewing, and verification of network services and document results. It's also the industry's first smart network tester to offer a PoE True Power test, loading up to 90 watts across all 4 pairs and displaying detected VLANs when connected to switch truck ports. With LinkRunner G2, IT teams can configure IoT devices, support a telnet session into a switch, run speed tests, view information provided by Bluetooth-supported sensors, and get expert support through WebEx and screen sharing, all from one simple device.